Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a 2015 GMC Sierra battery easy guide. First, park on level ground and engage the parking brake. Put on safety glasses and gloves, then disconnect any accessories that draw power. Always remove the negative terminal first and secure cables away from the battery. Keep metal tools clear of terminals to avoid shorting. These safety steps make the job simple and stress-free. Start by loosening the negative battery clamp and removing it from the terminal, then do the positive clamp. Next, unbolt the battery hold down and carefully lift the battery straight up from the tray using both hands. Keep the battery level to avoid spilling acid and place it on a safe surface. Inspect the tray and cable ends for corrosion and clean if needed before installing the replacement battery to ensure a solid connection. Place the new battery in the tray, making sure the terminals match the original orientation. Reinstall the hold-down clamp and tighten it so the battery cannot shift, but do not over-tighten. Attach the positive terminal first and then the negative terminal, ensuring both clamps are seated and snug. Start the truck to verify correct installation and reset any electronics if necessary. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center or auto store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.